Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add credits onto your video in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so to do this we're going to actually need keyframes. If you've not used keyframes before, absolutely fine. We're going to get stuck into that today. So as usual, we're going to get our video and then we're going to go over to text and we'll find the add text field. From here we will add this to our video. Now the first thing we're to do is select the very start of the image. So this is, for example, going to be our credits. We're going to go all the way down, put the text down the bottom of the screen, and from here go to the right hand side, scroll down until we find the transform section. From here we're going to go down to the position, and you see this little diamond on the right hand side. We want to click that to add a keyframe. Now we want to scroll to further on in the video. So for example, we have it right here. For example, we have default text all the way here at the bottom of the screen. We're now going to move that all the way to the very top like so. And you can see it's already automatically, because of the change, added in a new keyframe. Now all I need to do is go back to the very beginning and click play, and you can see it is going from this point to this point on the screen. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.